Good day! After pala ng mga lakad namin today ay sobrang nakakapagod kaya dumaan na muna kami sa May Ortigas sa SM Mega Mall para kumain. And since andito na rin kami, dinaanan na din namin yung Japan viral or trending na Warabi Mochi Kamakura. Hindi mo na kailangan pa pumunta ng Japan para matikman to. Para ka nang nasa Japan mismo. Ganun yung vibes. Makikita mo rin dito kung paano nila kino-coat ng matcha powder yung warabi mochi. Nakakatakam na, di ba? We arrived here around 9 p.m. kaya halos wala ng tao. And here it is! Ang in-order pala namin ay 3 pieces ng matcha warabi mochi na may kasama ng drink. It's your choice if you prefer matcha drink or coffee drink, hot or cold. And we also ordered the Kinako Warabi Mochi in a cup. That's for 2 pieces only and without drinks. Tikman na natin! Cheers! Sa sobrang excitement, napasubo ako. Ang laki pala. So, ito na siya. As expected, I'm a matcha lover, so approved. It is not an ordinary matcha powder. It tastes imported, not sweet, and not too bitter. Saktong balance lang. Wala akong favorite. I'm a matcha lover pero ang sarap din talaga ng Kinako Warabi Mochi. Yung powder niya ay may nuts. The texture of the warabi mochi is chewy but soft. Pagkakain mo, it melts right away. By the way, they also offer 10 pieces in a box and you can also request to put it in a wooden box if ipangriregalo mo. And hindi lang yan, they also offer other delicious drinks such as lattes, coffees, and many more. Pero ito talaga yung best-selling nila. The strawberry milk and Asakawa and matcha warabi mochi drinks. Ang haba, di ba? Punta na lang kayo dito para matry nyo rin. Here I'm drinking the cold matcha drink that comes with a 3 pieces warabi mochi. This is just the right drink after eating the warabi mochi because it really removes the sweetness in your mouth. So, all in all, matcha lover approved. Wait lang, may bubudulin lang tayo ng lip tip na tag 300 pesos.
What? Naka 50% naman sila.
Wow!
Since super busog na nga ako, maglalakad-lakad muna tayo. Ikot-ikot lang, walang bibilhin. Ayan, so ikot-ikot, magtatagtag. Pero meron talaga akong gusto ditong bag na hawak ng mannequin.
Sige mama, hawak ko. Sorry. Magaling ka siya na lang.